In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format images in your Looker Studio report, whether you're adding logos or embedding visuals directly from your data source. It's a straightforward process, but there's a lot of flexibility available to create the perfect look for your reports. First, let's start with inserting a static image. This could be a logo, a banner, or any other kind of fixed visual element you want to add to your report. To get started, make sure you are in edit mode. You'll find the image icon located on the top toolbar once you're there. Clicking this icon will allow you to either select an image directly from your computer or input a web URL where the image is located. After you've made your selection, the image will appear right on your canvas. From there, you can simply drag it to reposition it wherever you think it fits best and resize it by pulling on its corners until it's just right. Next up is the Properties panel. This is your go-to area for making detailed adjustments. Within the Setup tab, you'll find options to upload a new file or update an existing one, set up a click-through URL, which can be great for branding purposes, and add alt text to ensure your visuals are accessible to everyone. Switch over to the Style tab to adjust elements such as the border, opacity, shadow, background, and border radius. These features are there to help your image seamlessly blend into your report's overall design. And here's a little tip. If you're having trouble with the insert image workflow, try simply dragging and dropping the image onto the canvas or using the image icon again from the main toolbar. Sometimes, these methods can help bypass any pesky interface glitches. Now let's explore the second option, embedding images directly from your data. This is particularly useful when you want to showcase product photos, add thumbnails, or any dynamic visuals tied to your dataset. The key element you need in your data here is an image URL field. Once you've confirmed that your data includes this field, your next step is to navigate to Resource and hit Manage Added Data Sources, then select Edit. Find the URL field within this setup and switch its type to Image. In some cases, you might need to use the Image function for proper configuration. With your data all set up, go ahead and drop a table chart into your report. You can then use the newly configured image field as one of the dimensions in your table. Watch as Looker Studio renders the actual image within your report, perfectly sized to fit the column width. And there you have it. Whether working with static images or data-driven visuals, these methods will help you create more informative and aesthetic reports in Looker Studio.